by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Build It, Hermanus.
We at Hermanus Build It opened in 2016. We opened in a very competitive market. I believe we tick all the correct boxes in terms of price, quality and level of stock. I really believe where we excel and differentiate ourselves from our competitors is our people and our culture. Each person in this business has the ability to create relationships to either new customers or existing customers, as well as create a relationship with suppliers such as Plascon.
We're the best store to buy Plascon products because we offer them at a very good prices. I like Plascon brands because they offer very high quality products at a very competitive prices. My favorite Plascon product would be Plascon Wall Seal because of its high waterproofing qualities with a very excellent spreading rate and a very good hiding power, and it's very good for areas with high humidity. DIY tip I've got is make sure that your surface is clean and sound when you're preparing. Make thorough preparations before painting and you will get the best results.
Handy heroes powered by Plascon. We've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary. Our resilience, iconic. And despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Microtex, strong enough to endure anything.